விழுதுகள் புதிய தலைமுறை அறக்கட்டளையின் கல்வி சேவையின் ஒரு பகுதி SRM கல்வி நிறுவனங்களில் வழங்கப்படும் கட்டணமில்லா உயர்கல்வி திட்டம். இத்திட்டத்தில் பயிலும் மாணவர்களின் திறன் ஒளிரும் ஆண்டு திருவிழா இல்லுமினேட் 2025.
புதிய தலைமுறையோட ஃபங்க்ஷனை I think for the past 4-5 years I am regularly coming because I am very much attracted to it. First of all, appreciate the contributions made by the Pudhiya Thalamari Foundation. But today I want to talk a little different. For all these years, I used to just come and look at the students, address them and go. But this year, it is special for me because last year, we had actually seen, that is from the office of the Directorate of Admissions, we had seen each and every student who were admitted under this foundation. And what I would like to say is, I was very, very much touched by many of the families. And as sir had already mentioned that President sir is not willing to give it on the Pudhiya Thalamari TV channel because he doesn't want to give a propaganda of the good services which he and his team is doing. That's a very big thing. But today I was just thinking about something and I had come and I think he has already answered that. He says now that we are running a YouTube channel. What I was just thinking is super singers, where even the children are all coming. When the super singers are coming, they are also portraying the family. And the வீடு எங்கேருந்து வராங்கோ, அவங்க அப்பா அம்மா, அவங்க குடும்ப சூழ்நிலை எப்படி இருக்கு, and how they are coming here and how they are growing. So I was just thinking, why don't we do something like that? I don't know whether you have started doing it because I've not seen the YouTube channel. No, then I think there's just one suggestion that there are many of them. Like last year, I don't know the names, I don't want them to stand also, but I'll tell you there are 2-3 people whom I was actually very much touched, in the sense that some of them did not have their parents, but somebody else had taken up the initiative, either mother, sister, or there was one family where it's a friend, that is the child's mother's friend, and I think also she lost both her parents or something like that, and that friend came over, literally in tears, stating that I want to admit this child, and I think she is taking care of that girl and her children also. I mean, I was absolutely shocked and amazed to see in the காலத்துல இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு குடும்பமா, அந்த மாதிரி நிறைய பேர் இருந்தாங்க. Just one story I'm telling you. அந்த நேரத்துல எனக்கு என்ன தோணுச்சுன்னா, there was literally tears in my eyes, but I really felt like touching their feet and saying, இந்த மாதிரி ஆளுங்க கூட இந்த காலத்துல இருக்கிறாங்களா சொல்லிட்டு, it is really a very big thing. So அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு story, it is you can take the real story also, the real time story of those children, and you can put it in the YouTube and show it to them that how they have come ahead, and later on once when they get a job and all that, and then go. And one more thing which was very impressive is these children had very high marks, which I just cannot imagine, because அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ஃபேமிலியில் வந்துட்டு I was just trying to put myself in that place. அப்போ I think I would have been mostly down. மொத்தமாக நம்ம டவுன் ஆகிட்டு இருப்போம். அப்பா அம்மா இல்லை, யாரும் இல்லை நம்மளை பார்க்கறதுக்கு, இல்லை நம்ம எப்படி ஃப்யூச்சர் நம்மளோட எப்படி இருக்கும் அதெல்லாம் நினச்சாக்கா I think that would have actually taken off half the life, at least for I'm talking from my side. But those children were so what to say, they had so much of courage and strength, and they took up this as a challenge, and they said that they would come up and really do something, and that's how, based on their marks, we had allocated various seats. Some of them were literally in tears, in the seat kudukka matingla, and the seat kudukka matingla and all. And then we were actually, for the first time, we didn't know how to take it out, and somebody who's saying enak idu vena adu vena, then we could mutually exchange it. Somebody said I don't want this, but this person wants this naka, abdi exchange பண்ணிட்டு last time we had given the seats and all. But really it was a challenge for us, and it was also a learning that the students are so, getting such good marks, and they have some aim and goal in life, and then they are coming here. And of course, all the credit goes to the Pudiya Talamarai Foundation, headed by Sir and his team, and of course, the visionaries like Honorable Chancellor Sir and President Sir who are taking it forward. That is a very big thing. இப்போல்லாம் ஒருத்தர் ஏதோ ஒன்று பூச்செண்டு கொடுத்தா கூட டிவியில் வந்து அனௌன்ஸ் பண்ணி இவங்களுக்கு பூச்செண்டு கொடுத்தாங்கன்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஒரு நியூஸில் வருது. பட் இவ்வளோ பெரிய விஷயம் people are doing. I want to bring you to the notice of everybody here. I don't know how many of you are aware. SRM is giving more than 55 crores of scholarships to the students studying across all the campuses in SRM. This is, and just not the Pudiya Talamarai, but everything, So 55 crores, more than that, for every year. Now what I would like to just give you, and last time நான் பசங்களை பார்த்தவங்க கிட்ட நான் சில இது கருத்துக்கள் சொன்னேன், and I said இப்படிலாம் இருங்கோ அப்படிலாம் இருங்கோன்னு சொல்லிட்டு, because this SRM university or this SRM IST is where varied students are coming in, and I guided a few of the students who came last year, but for the rest of them I want to tell you today that உங்கள் கிளாஸ்லேயே ரொம்ப ஹைஃபை சொசைட்டிலேருந்து வரவங்க பசங்க இருக்கலாம். நீங்கள் அவங்கள பார்த்து ஐயோ அவங்க அப்படி இருக்கிறாங்க, நம்மளால் இப்படி இருக்க முடியலையேன்னு ஒரு ஃபீலிங் வரலாம். அப்புறம் யூ ஃபீல் இன்ஃபீரியர், அதுவும் உண்டு. பட் see that what is your aim or what is your goal in life. எப்படின்னா, in that camera I think there's a possibility that you blur everything out, but only the person whom you want to show will be visible. Just like that, your goal only should be visible to you. நான் இது படித்து முடிச்சுட்டு என்னோட வேலை, நான் இப்படி இந்த வேலைக்கு போகணும், இல்லை அங்கே போகணும், wherever you want to go abroad to study, that should be your vision. மற்றது எல்லாத்தையும் please leave it aside. And I'm very sorry to state, I am from a era where there was no technology. I think that was a happy period. Okay, that was really a happy period with so many issues. Like, to be very frank, I used to travel all the way from north in a very early childhood, all alone by train, and I used to reach Chennai only in 3 days. After 3 days. And after 3 days, my mom would have given me a postcard with a their address. And I used to say, "Pa, poi சேர்ந்த உடனேப்பா சென்ட்ரல் ஸ்டேஷன்லேயே போஸ்ட் பண்ணிடு." So I used to post it in the central station. I reached safely. அவ்வளோதான். And that will reach them after 1 week. Okay, this was the kind of era in which we lived. But I think everything was fine and safe those days. But now parents have, "Pa, bus stopல போய் நின்னுட்டியா, பஸ்ஸில் ஏறிட்டியா, இல்லை ட்ரெயினில் ஏறிட்டியா, சீட்டு கிடச்சிதா, ஓகே, அண்ட் தென் ஹவ் யூ ரீச்ட் த காலேஜ், கிளாஸ் உள்ளே போயிட்டியா." கிளாஸில் இருக்கச்சுக்கு ஒரு மெசேஜ் வரலாம், and you will say, "Yes, I am in the class." All that is fine. That is the positive aspect of the technology. But there are still more adverse things which you will be better conversed with than me, because we are from a different era. What is very important for you is, as I just told you, that your goal and aim should be what you are here for and where you want to go. These are the two things which you should think about. The rest will be blurred up. And use the technology for your advancement, and do your studies and everything sincerely. I know that you people are doing very well because you're coming up with the CGPAs which you people are getting. I know there are many students, even last year I think we had acknowledged some students who had 9 CGPA and above. Okay, those are really good, and I know there are some challenges for you because you must be coming from maybe a village atmosphere where the schools have limited teachers, limited this thing, but still you must have taken all the pains to study, and now coming here it might be a challenge to bridge the two. But then I think Pudhiya Thalamari is also taking all those challenges for educating the students in their I think languages and all that. So that's a very good thing. So please utilize this and go ahead. The second thing is, I've always mentioned, very important these days is gratitude, which most of us are forgetting. ஈவன் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், இப்போ ஒரு வாட்டிக்கு நீங்கள் படித்து முடிச்சுட்டு ஒரு பெரிய ஆள் ஒரு கம்பெனியில் போய் உட்காந்த உடனே அப்பா அம்மாவையே ஒரு கீழ்த்தனமாக பார்க்கறது. அவங்க செருப்பு இல்லாமல் கூட வரலாம், வெறும் தோத்தி கட்டின்னு வரலாம், அழுக்கான ஷர்ட். சார் had given all the category of people whose children are studying here. I have seen last time how the parents had come. அவங்க லிட்ரலி தலை குனிஞ்சி வர்ற மாதிரி எனக்கு ஒரு ஃபீலிங். எனக்கு ரொம்ப கஷ்டமா இருந்தது. Why should parents come like that? Even if they are from a different class, that is, they are doing a different service. Never mind. ஒரு பஸ் ஓட்டுறவர் நமக்கு இல்லைன்னா நம்மளால பஸ் வர முடியாது. நமக்கு ஸ்கேவெஞ்சர்ஸ் இங்கே பண்ணுறவங்கல்ல, ஸ்வீப்பர்ஸாக இருக்கட்டும், ஸ்கேவெஞ்சர்ஸாக இருக்கும், they are also very great people. அவங்க பண்ணலன்னா இன்னைக்கு இவ்வளோ நீட்டாக நம்மளால உட்கார முடியாது. So people are feeling little inferior, but we from the society should make them feel that they are not somebody different. They are also human beings and they are as human as we are. Only difference is maybe they are not educated, we are educated. But education or position doesn't make any difference. Earnings doesn't make any difference. It's only the values of life. So what I'm trying to tell you is, once after you finish and you finish your graduation and all that, please don't look down upon your parents and don't feel shy to take your parents anywhere, even in your office. Once you become a very big, in a big position, or even as you join and somebody might say, illappa neenga office la velila keela wait pannunga na vandirra keela. Not required. Please introduce your parents or your guardians who have taken care of you and try to introduce them. That will actually add more importance or give more value to you. பா பரவாயில்லப்பா, இந்த பையன் அப்பா வந்து ஆட்டோ டிரைவராக இருக்காரு, இல்லை ஏதோ பண்ணுறாரு, ஃபார்மராக இருக்காரு, பட் ஸ்டில் தே ஹவ் கிவன் அ லாட் ஆஃப் இம்பார்ட்டன்ஸ் டு தெம். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் மை செகண்ட் ரிக்வெஸ்ட். ஸோ gratitude is just not to the people who have brought you here, also to Pudhiya Thalamari. After you finish your graduation and after you go out, please give some recognition to the foundation which has helped you. Now, recognition in what way? Be in touch with them. Give them the record as to where you are and whatever you are doing. சில பேர் இப்போலாம் எப்படின்னா வேலை முடிஞ்சிச்சுன்னா தூக்கி போட்டு போயினே இருக்கணும். I'm not talking about students, telling in general. People feel that I've done with this person, இவங்களால வேலை முடிஞ்சிச்சுன்னா தூக்கி போடுங்க, நெக்ஸ்ட் மூவ் ஆன். But that should not be your case. Please give back and tell them so that they can proudly. Now இப்படினாக்கா இன்னும் நிறைய பேர் அவங்க சொல்லியிருப்பாங்க. I know that, I guess that rest of the people might not have informed them where they are. They were able to tell only 3-4 people. I feel bad. Everybody, எல்லாருமே இப்படி position, whoever comes next time, they should say that I'm sorry, the list is too long for me to read it out, but இந்த 3 பேர் இந்த ஹை பொசிஷன்ல இருக்காங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு we should be able to tell that. Okay, so I don't want to take too much of your time, but these are a little bit of advices which please try to keep it up. And this generation, this particular generation which is there now, there are a lot of things for you to get disturbed, perturbed, and will spoil your thought process, your way of studying or carrying out your duties. But remember only your aim and your goal, and please move ahead. God is with you. Before you do anything, please remember or put yourself in your parents or somebody's shoes and think, இந்த வேலை நான் பண்ணா எங்கள் அப்பா அம்மாவுக்கு பிடிக்குமா பிடிக்காதா, இல்லை நான் வேலை செய்கிற இடத்துல இது ரைட்டா ராங்கா. Other thing is also there are many shortcuts in life. You are seeing every day on TV and all, you know, all kinds of how they misuse so many things and then they want to become big immediately. Please don't go for shortcuts. ஒரு படிக்கட்டில் போகணுன்னா முதல் படிக்கட்டில் கால் வைக்காம மேல் படிக்கட்டில் போக முடியாது. முதல் படிக்கட்டில் கால் வைங்க, அதுக்கப்புறம் லீப் பண்ணலாம். ஒரு 2 படிக்கட்டு தாண்டி போகலாம். யுவர் யங்ஸ்டர்ஸ் 4 படி கூட தாண்டி போகலாம். ஆனால் ஃபஸ்ட்டு படியில் வச்சு மொல்லமாக போனீங்கன்னா யூ வில் ரீச் யுவர் ஹைட் in a right manner. With this, I think I would like to close and wish you all the best. And God is there, and I wish you, and I pray to God that He blesses you all. Thank you so much. Thank you.
விழுதுகள் கட்டணமில்லா உயர்கல்வி திட்டம் பற்றி அறிந்து கொள்ள தொடர்பு கொள்ள வேண்டிய முகவரி புதிய தலைமுறை அறக்கட்டளை, 24 ஜெயன் செட்டி சாலை, தியாகராய நகர், சென்னை 6017. இக்காணொளி பயனுள்ளதாக இருந்தால் விருப்ப குறியிடுங்கள். புதிய தலைமுறை ஃபவுண்டேஷன் வலைக்காட்சிக்கு சந்தாதாரர் ஆகுங்கள். அறிவிப்பு மணியை ஒலிக்கச் செய்து பதிவுகளை தவறாமல் காணுங்கள், பகிருங்கள். பகிர்தலும் அறமே.